been waiting for this unboxing. Oh my gosh. I was like, I want to open it already, but no, I couldn't. So barely today. And yes, it's another Glamily unboxing. And look, they changed their packaging. It's cute. The sticker, they put it on around it. That always happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it fast. So. Or not fast, but I don't know. So this is how it looks. I see it. Okay. The first thing is this. I love the wrapping. Ooh, it looks so pretty in person. I expected like a darker green, but this is the Just My Luck palette. Is their green one. Y'all know I love green, so I was like, I need to get it. So I can't open it. Oh. Wow, it's so pretty. Look. I just can't wait to use these. Oh my god. Wow. So exciting. Okay, so the next palette is similar, but this is the orange one. Oh, this is bright orange. Wow, I thought it was gonna be like more lighter. And this is the back. Okay, I'm gonna open. Ooh, wow, it's so pretty. I hardly use orange because to me it's like a very neutral color, like brown, but this is making me want to use orange. Like, wow, orange is not my favorite color, but this is making me love orange. Wow, it's pretty. So this one was the one that I was most excited about. Y'all know I love Powerpuff Girls. I grew up watching it, so which one is your favorite? Mine is Bubbles. I've always loved Bubbles, not only because she's blue and I love blue, but I feel like her personality I always get confused saying it. I say my name instead of the actual word, but anyways, personality, there, finally. I think we're kind of the same, well, especially when I was younger. Well, similar, not 100% the same, but yeah, because I'm definitely not a buttercup. Like, she's kind of like tough and meanish, kind of. She would bully Bubbles. I feel like that was not me. The green one, let me just open. And Blossom, she's the leader. I don't think I'm like, she's very neutral. I don't know. She doesn't have a lot going on. Like, I don't know. I just think I'm Bubbles. But yeah, wow, the packaging is so pretty. It's like 3D. Wow. Oh wow, it's bigger than these, or wider. Not that much of a difference, but yeah, it's bigger. Wow. Let me open it. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Excuse me. It's so pretty. Qué bonito. Oh my gosh. What's the saying? But sorry, I'm also cold. But anyway. Ooh, it comes with a mirror. Oops, let me take the plastic. Oh, I love it. The shades. Ooh, these are speaking to me. And these. Okay, these two. These on the top, I know I'm not gonna really use them because it's boring to me. But those are so pretty. Oh, I've already noticed there's a flower stand and a heart stand. Oh, wow. Oh, and the star. It's because I can't see from far. I need glasses, but wow. Who's this thing person? I don't know who that is. Maybe it's new because I only watched the old version, the 2000s version. I don't know if it's a new character. I don't know. It's so pretty. I'm gonna try to do like a Bubbles inspired look, Blossom, and then Buttercup, and then a look probably with all of them together. I don't know. We'll see. And yeah, that's it. It's really short, and obviously their card. I got all of these 3 palettes fast because I won their 5,000 point giveaway, like I mentioned in my previous Glamily unboxing. So yeah, go to their Instagram, enter their giveaways, and you can win points by not even uploading videos in the app. And look, I got 3. Like, that's a lot for free, girl. Come on, get it together. Go follow them, download the app. And yeah, you're missing out. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, I hope y'all liked my mini unboxing. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.